you. My name is Queen. I'm in P5 class. I study at Kigali Hillsides School. First of all, I thank our visitors who come to visit us here to Kigali Hillsides Academy. They taught us many things that we have learned about on them. First of all, they taught us how to wash our hands. Some of students like us, they didn't wash their hands when they moved to the toilet or when they are going to eat. But now you have learned how to wash our hands after visiting toilet, when we are going to eat, after praying, even whenever we move, we have to wash our hands. Also, they taught us about to clean our body, to clean our clothes, so you avoid the diseases. We thank them. Even so, they give us the materials that we can use in cleaning our hands. Example as soap and the oil. Thank you, because you have been you are favorite to us. Thank you.
Murakoze cyane. Nitwa Ishimwe Rachel, nkaba ndi umurezi muri kino kigo cya Kigali Hillsides Academy. Uyu munsi twishimye kuba mwafashe urugendo mukaza kudusura, mukadufasha kwigisha abana bacu uko bashobora gukaraba intoki birinda indwara ziterwa n'umwanda. Byatunejeje cyane kandi twizeye yuko bazakomeza ku nama mwatugiriye, cyane inama mwagiriye abanyeshuri bacu. Twifuza yuko n'ubutaha mwazagaruka, kandi turabashimira n'ubufatanye bwiza dufitanye, bitwereka yuko ibyo dukora mu bishyigikiye kandi ni ikintu cyiza cyane. Murakoze cyane, tubashimira tunabasaba ko n'ubutaha mwazagaruka. Murakoze cyane.